All right, Dalton, let's talk about leasing. Okay, we have a lot of inventory right now and we need to move it, and the best way to get the best payment, the lowest payment, would be, leasing. It's a great idea for people. They kind of forget about that. But let me just look at my notes right quick. Okay, we can do some Tundras for $519 a month with a little money down, 36 months. We got the Camry. We can go as low as $289 a month.
$289?
How awesome is that? Also, Tacoma we can get as low as $289 a month.
So $289.
Yes.
A Tacoma.
A Tacoma. We got trucks, we got cars, we got anything you need. We will find it for you because we want to be your Toyota dealer. We want to be your dealer. We want you to come here. We want to join our Red River family. And that's it.